how sometimes two best friends start a big project together, but after a while, stress, ego, and money start pulling them apart? So that's exactly what's happening between Brutus and Cassius in Act 4, Scene 2. See, in Act 4, Scene 1, what happened is the key power players in Rome, that is Mark Antony, Octavius Caesar, and Lepidus, they meet and decide which of Caesar's enemies must die. So this sets the stage for Scene 2. The conspirators Marcus Brutus and Cassius are in their camp preparing for battle and dealing with internal tension. So the scene takes place in a military camp near Sardis, where Brutus and Cassius are gathering their forces. Brutus meets with his officers like Lucilius and Titinius and asks how Cassius greeted them. They report that Cassius was polite but distant. The friendship isn't what it used to be. Now Cassius arrives with his army and immediately he accuses Brutus of doing wrong to him. Now Brutus here responds that he would never wrong a brother. Brutus asks Cassius to move away from the view of the army so their soldiers don't see them arguing. Then inside his tent, they begin a heated argument. Cassius criticizes Brutus's leadership and Brutus accuses Cassius of corruption, taking bribes, and of losing the integrity for which they killed Caesar. The argument escalates emotionally and Cassius even offers his dagger to Brutus. This is a dramatic sign of how far their friendship has fallen. Now Brutus, he refuses to use it and then eventually reconcile, share wine and pledge friendship again. So the scene ends with them turning their attention back to the upcoming battle. The unity is restored now but clearly shaken. See, why this scene matters is that it shows that even the heroes, that is Brutus and Cassius, are fracturing under pressure. Their personal bond is weakening, and the main reason of their conspiracy, that is we killed Caesar for Rome's good, is under threat. Now they are dealing with suspicion, blame, and personal grudges. Now it foreshadows the internal conflict that may be dangerous as the external war they are about to fight. The stage for tragedy is set. Stay tuned to know what happened next in my next video. Like and subscribe to my channel Beauty of Language for more updates.